Hi, I'm James Rule from the Devil's Advocate, reporting from Hamilton High School. Today we're having a drunk driving simulator, and we're going to ask students how they did. Students were also introduced to life coach Chris Sandy and heard about his experience with drunk driving.
It says, hey, don't do this or don't do that, or, I'm not going to tell you what to do with your life. Listen, it's your life, it's your choice.
How do you think the driving simulator is going to help kids?
Well, I hope it deters them not to drink and drive the night of the prom and going into Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon when everybody's at the beach or whatever. I really want to stress that we're trying our best to make sure that nothing happens to anybody here at our school. I've been here for 15 years and we've had success where everybody that left on Friday came back on Monday. So that is success right there.
What did you learn from this experience?
Even if I wanted to drive drunk, I couldn't because it's really hard.
It really taught me that if I do drink and drive, that I'm going to kill a lot of people because I can't control the vehicle properly.
Yeah, the experience, the illusion of driving drunk was definitely something I never want to experience in real life. I could imagine hurting myself and others by the way I was hitting all those cones and stuff, but yeah.
Oh man, I think I did pretty bad. I hit like maybe 12 cones.
This simulation helps students understand the dangers of driving drunk. I'm James Rubel, signing out from the Devil's Advocate.